welcome to today's video. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is about my favorite part of makeup, that is lipsticks. I am crazy for lipstick. When it comes to lipstick, I just go absurd and weird and pick almost every lipstick which is just launched or will be launching, and I'm just crazy for lipsticks. And this festive season, I believe every girl should have 3-4 kinds of tones which I will be showing into my video, and they are super affordable, and I will be also telling you the affordable versions of that lipstick so you can check them out easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the festive season is all about getting ready and getting looking very pretty, and I personally feel, I'm not bashing the nude lipstick trend, but I feel that Indian culture is more about wearing brighter, bolder colors rather than nude lipsticks. So when there are festivals which are coming around and it's a festive season, so I really think myself that we should incorporate more on the brighter colors because they complement the ambience around us. So the first very lipstick which I'm going to show is the Razia from Ultra Matte. It's a stunning pink color. I have just fallen in love with the color. It is so beautiful. It will suit every skin tone, no matter you're fair, you're dusky, you're medium. It will suit every skin tone and it will look equivalently pretty. So I'm gonna swatch it for you and show. It's a very beautiful pink color. So yeah, that was my first pick, that is Razia. Now if you don't want to go for a very heavier or expensive option because it's for 600 rupees, so you can check the Miss Claire lipstick. It's their Miss Claire soft lip creams, and it's in the shade number 52, and it is a very close dupe for Razia. It's a soft matte finish. As you can see, they both come really similar. It's very similar, so you can own shade number 52 as it's a very close dupe for Razia. So it's only for, I think, 200. It can be you can get it between 200 to 300 because on Nykaa it's for 300, and on the local stores you can bargain it around like 200 and 250. So yeah, you can get it from 200 to 300. Next very important color for this festive season is maroons and reds, and they flatter every skin tone, be it fair, be it medium. Duskier skin tones look especially the best in maroons and reds. They flatter them a lot. So I have this mini lipstick from Nykaa, so matte. It's in the shade 17M. Its name is Cranberry Sangria. It's a beautiful, I'm speechless, beautiful maroon red, which is perfect for every dusky skin tone girl. You can see it's this. It's really pretty. The quantity is pretty small, so if you like it, you can go ahead and buy the bigger version of it. So yeah, these were the 3 lipsticks, and now I am coming up to a plum purple kind of lipstick which is very beautiful, and I think that will also suit more duskier skin tone, but I as well put it on my lips, and it is baby Houseman matte as hell sugar lipstick. It is for $7.99. It's quite expensive, but it is the mattest lipstick I have ever tried. It's very matte, it's very comfortable, it's super matte, it won't transfer as well. So yeah, this is a very beautiful plum berry shade. As you can see, this is the lipstick. I will insert all the daylight swatches of the lipstick as well because on camera it appears slightly different. Okay, so the next next very affordable red lipstick, which is creamy matte lipstick. It's Ruby Woo from Maybelline Creamy Matte. Sorry, Ruby Woo, Rich Ruby. Sorry. Okay, it's a beautiful apple red shade, perfect for all skin tones. As you can see, it's perfect. It's just the perfect amount of red any girl would want. This is beautiful. It's called Rich Ruby, and you can get it for 299. And on, if you want to wait for sales, you can get it for 250 as well, as updated on Nykaa. So you can check that out. Next, very important shade is a wine shade. It's beautiful. If you want to go like stand out there, and if you want to have that image for yourself, you can surely check out this. It's called as Divine Wine from Maybelline Creamy Mattes. It's a beautiful color. So you can see it's stunning. It's a mixture of, I think, your brown and wine color, and it's perfect for every skin tone. Okay, so the next very loved shade and my first lipstick from Nykaa, it's Marilyn from the Ultra Matte lipstick. I have broken this lipstick because I love it so much, and it's very beautiful. It's also a very beautiful red. If you want a creamier version of it, you can go for the Rich Ruby from Maybelline Creamy Matte. This is the Marilyn Ultra Matte. Okay, so I guess that brings us to the end of the video. So yeah, these are all my favorite festive season friendly lipsticks. They are super good quality, and you can check the creamy matte ones and the Miss Clear one if you want an affordable option, and the Nykaa mini versions, because yeah, you can't put these like maroons and red on a daily basis. That's why you can try this mini version as well. It is a really good color. Love it. It's not transfer proof, so you can top it up with a liquid lipstick to make it more long lasting. So yeah, these were the shades. I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy festive season, happy Diwali.